big believer that anybody can follow their dreams, and I think it's really important that you set goals and you do your best to try to accomplish those dreams. And I think if you put the work in, you can make those dreams come true, and I really believe it. Hey, what's up guys? Today is a special day. So, long story short, I never thought this day would come. I always knew I wanted to be doing video editing for somebody or videography for some company, but I never really thought I would be doing it for myself. If you would have asked me like 10 years ago if I would have had a business, I would have told you you're crazy, because I was not going down a good path when I was a teenager, when I was a kid, and I just put in the work, man. I've been setting goals and I've been accomplishing those goals, and I've been very fortunate to have very special people around me supporting me and getting me to those goals. So behind me is my first and my new videography and photo studio. So I'm gonna take you guys in there, we're gonna check it out, and today we're painting. We're doing some green screen paint on the wall, and it's gonna be tight, and then we can start getting to work. So I'm really excited, and I'm excited to take you guys along for this journey. So let's get it. Alright guys, so this is my new studio. I share the space with a music producer, another YouTuber, Auntie Tay, and my teammate Chelsea. So we kind of all share the space. I only rent out a room. So let's go on a little tour before we start painting. Alright, so when you first walk in, you see this fridge, and there's a little window right there that goes to Matt's office. And there's the door and the couch for everybody to hang out on. And then this is the big room, and this is Matt's producer's desk, and this is the vocal booth that Matt just built. It's pretty sweet. He's gonna put some felt on the outside so it'll look dope. Let's take a look inside. So he's got like some lights in there and the mic, and it's all soundproof. It's pretty sweet. All right, now I'm gonna show you my room. So here we go. Boom. This is Tyler's first studio, my first little office. I'm super excited about it. I'm super pumped. It's not like the biggest, but yeah, I'm gonna make it work. Alright guys, so me and Chelsea are almost there. We masked all the walls, so now it's time to put up the paint. Alright guys, so the walls are painted, green screen green. We gotta do one more layer, but before we do that, we're gonna say goodbye to our window. Here we go. I missed my moment. There we go. Cool. There it is.